so much for stopping by. If you're new, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. I try to upload at least once a week, so you don't want to miss out. Today's video is going to be on this new wig, this new unit that I got from Zana Hair. It's called Zana Wigs, and it is an Amazon company. So if you want to see how I put this unit on my head, all right, stay tuned, keep watching.
Soft bang 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 baby, me I want day for your body like a tattoo. Sweet to you, and if I like, make you forgive me banku. Baby, me I want day for your body like a tattoo. Makachuku, if I give you one, you go come for the part two. Oh, me say do me longer. I swear she dey give me joy. The way your body conquer. I lie, you dey give me thought. Get one, wanna give me something. Tell your body banging. Oh, me say baby shake it, yo. Don't you keep me waiting. Shawty, give me that, yo. Make a fan of skibby that, yo. I love the way you shaking that, yo. Bang bang bang, mommy feel me akaida. Mommy feel me kokoma. Mommy feel me kokoma. Mommy feel me mahosa. Baby, me I want day for your body like a tattoo. Sweet to you, and if I like, make you forgive me banku. Baby, me I want day for your body like a tattoo. Makachuku, if I give you one, you go come for the part two. Oh, your body bad to know. Oh, your body sweet to know. Oh, you my love no good to know. Yeah, oh, you give me keys to know. Anywhere she go, she be the queen for the area. Tell you to know, now she the cure my malaria. Shawty, give me that, yo. Make a fan of skibby that, yo. I love the way you shaking that, yo. Soft bang bang bang, mommy feel me akaida. Mommy feel me kokoma. Mommy feel me kokoma. Mommy feel me mahosa. Baby, me I want day for your body like a tattoo. Sweet to you, and if I like, make you forgive me banku. Baby, me I want day for your body like a tattoo. Makachuku, if I give you one, you go come for the part two. Baby, me I want day for your body like a tattoo. Sweet to you, and if I like, make you forgive me banku. Baby, me I want day for your body like a tattoo. Makachuku, if I give you one, you go come for the part two.
Inco Mix.
guys, so I just want to first thank Zana Wigs for sending me this unit to review. Again, like I stated before, it is an Amazon company. And let me just give you some deets about the wig, you guys. It is a 18-inch Brazilian hair lace front wig, body wave. It can be worn as glueless human hair two-tone color. Alright, so the two tones, you guys, would be the 1B and the 33 highlight color. Okay. I'm going to link all the information down below in the description bar on how to get this unit, you guys. This is a great fall unit. This is a great unit to wear during the fall season because of the beautiful highlighted colors, you guys. Alright, so you saw how I installed it. I installed it using the Got To Be glue method. However, it can be worn as glueless because this unit is snug. It is actually fitting on my head. I didn't need to adhere it with the Got To Be glue holding spray, but I decided to try a new method. I'm still trying to perfect it. So you'll see that I try to adhere the unit first and then cut off the lace, and I'm still, like, you know, not very confident about it, but whatever. I just wanted to try this new method. So what do you think of this unit, you guys? Is it a great fall unit? I think it looks great, but it claims to have a 4-inch deep part, you guys, and the part starts right here. I did add some powder and everything to my parting area so it can be a little bit more precise. I could pluck it some more. I could try to pluck it and see. Let me see. And yeah, this is it.
Soft bang 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 baby, you. Me I want day for your body like a tattoo. Sweet to you, and if I like, make you forgive me.
Does this unit shed? I haven't experienced any shedding, you guys. Again, it's kind of like my first impressions. I just really put it on. Does it tangle? No, it doesn't really tangle. Like a silky body wave texture. It doesn't really tangle at all. Beautiful curls, 18 inches, definitely work appropriate. Alright, so if you're interested in this unit, please look down below. Thank you again, Zana Wigs, for sending me this unit to review on my channel. I really appreciate it. This is a unit. This is the style. I think it bangs. I think it looks so good. It's so lightweight. Oh, so lightweight. Look at that. Thanks for watching. Alright. Take care, you guys. Bye.